Hello, dear viewers. Today I will talk about Charles Darwin, known for his theory of evolution and revolutionary contributions to the world of science. Darwin not only made significant scientific discoveries, but also fundamentally changed our worldview. Charles Darwin laid the foundation of modern biology with his works on the origin of species and on the natural selection. The theory of evolution emerged from Darwin's observations and research, becoming an important theory that explains the complexity of life. The concept of natural selection is accepted as a fundamental mechanism for explaining species adaptation and evolution. Darwin's theories challenged the social and religious norms of his time. The theory of evolution, by suggesting that humans are related to other species and that nature is shaped by random processes, clashed with religious beliefs and sparked controversies. However, today the theory of evolution is widely accepted as a principle that forms the basis of fields such as biology and genetics. Darwin's work deeply influenced the evolution of science and modern biology. Today, topics such as genetics and interspecies relationships are explained by Darwin's theory of evolution. This has been a turning point that fundamentally changed the nature of science and humanity's view of nature. Charles Darwin, through his scientific work and the theory of evolution, not only changed biology, but also our understanding of the world. His bold and pioneering work showed that science not only confirms existing knowledge, but also opens up new horizons. I hope that Charles Darwin's life and work have also influenced you and that you have seen how science and discoveries can inspire humanity. Until our next video, take care.